I'm sure you've heard the news. Solar energy is the future. But what if I told you it's also your present in Aaqula, Arizona? In Aquala, solar energy isn't just an option, it's a way of life. Say goodbye to those hefty electricity bills. With solar panels, you could reduce or even eliminate your energy costs. Plus, take advantage of federal and state incentives, tax credits, and rebates to offset installation costs. Homes with solar systems often sell for more, and you can protect yourself against rising energy prices. And guess what? You can even make money by selling excess power back to the grid through net metering. But it's not just about saving money. Solar power helps you reduce your carbon footprint, supports a sustainable energy source, and cuts dependence on fossil fuels. Cleaner air and a healthier planet, isn't that something we all want? Imagine generating your own power, achieving energy self-sufficiency, and having backup power options during blackouts. Modern solar panels are durable, low maintenance, and scalable to fit your needs. And let's not forget the community impact. Solar energy creates jobs and promotes energy equity. Silent, versatile, and innovative, solar is the smart choice for a sustainable future. Find out how much you could save by going solar in Aquala. Share your electric bill and location at the link in the description. Join us in building a brighter, greener future today.